My name is Cassie from Mates Gems. You know how jade is cold to the touch? And you know how internet is telling you that if it is cold, it must be real? Well, let's find out today. Here I have got 6 bangles and only one of them is real. I'm going to conduct a little experiment to see if anyone from the public can find out just by touch which one is real jade. Do you know much about jade?
No. Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
No.
No.
I think it's also for good health.
I'm going to blindfold you with this.
Okay.
And I'm going to touch them on your face one by one. You're going to guess which one is real jade.
Okay.
And if you guess it right, I'm going to give you a $100 gift card on top of this gift as well.
Okay. It's the cold one, right?
We'll see. We'll see. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So sample number 1. How does that feel?
Yeah. Like
Cold or
yeah.
And then sample number 2. Is it cold?
Number 2 is more colder than the first one.
Okay.
And then sample number 3.
Oh my god, this is hard.
Yeah. It is also cold compared to the other 2.
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
all freezing.
They are freezing. Sample number 4. How does this feel?
Yeah, less cold.
Less cold? 凉吗？
不是很凉。
不是很凉。好。
Feels. They all feel cold.
They all feel cold. The last one. Here we go.
Cold.
Cold.
Yeah, cold.
Cold. So now, based on the coldness, which one do you think is real jade?
Maybe 2.
4? 4?
Yeah.
What about you?
I'll go with 4. I'm debating between 2, 4, and 6.
Maybe 2?
Maybe 2? Are you sure?
Yeah. Okay, I feel like it's number 4.
You feel like it's number 4? Okay. All right, you can take your blindfold off. And then you can have a look based on the look and feel free to touch them. Which one do you think is real?
Okay, I don't know what real ones look like.
But just based on the
feel.
Yeah, the feel, the temperature.
Okay, I'll stick with 4.
Stick with 4.
Yes. Either this one or this one.
3, 6, 6?
You gotta pick one. So you happy with 6?
I'm gonna say 3.
3?
Yeah.
很难猜嘞。全部都冷哦。Going off the temperature, I think it's that one.
Is that one?
But if I had to pick based off looks, I don't know.
That's weird. Yeah, that one feels warmer when you pick it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm guessing.
The temperature all start to feel the same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Temperature-wise, 5, but that one I think
What about you?
probably number 5.
Before I reveal what is what, would you be able to guess which one is the real jade by looking? Moment of truth is number 3. Yeah, but good effort. The answer is sample number 3.
Goodness.
The real jade is number 3. Yeah.
Really cool.
Number 3 is the real jade.
Oh, I got it right.
Yeah, you got it right.
yay.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah. When you were blindfolded, you said it was number 2, but
Yeah.
after you took off your blindfold, you think it's number 3. What's made
Yeah.
the what?
Well, you
made
said it was
change that?
cold,
Yeah.
and that was the coldest, number 2.
Yeah.
But then I've never seen it ever look like these. I've only ever seen jade look like that.
Okay.
And this to me feels the most expensive.
Feels the most
Yeah.
expensive. Yeah. So what do you think? Do you think the internet is telling the fact and truth that real jade is cold to touch?
No.
Here, let's have a look what they are. If you have guessed number 3, then you've got it right. Sample number 1 is glass. Sample number 2 is treated jade or grade B and C jade. Sample number 3 is real jadeite from Burma. Sample number 4 is quartzite, also known as Guizhou jade. Sample number 5 is agate. Sample number 6 is similar to sample number 4. It is treated but without the dye. There you have it, guys. There were 15 people who participated in the experiment. 40% of the participants got sample number 2, which is treated jade. And another 40% choose sample number 4, which is quartzite. So if it's cold, is it really real jade? Leave us a comment down below to let us know what you think of this experiment. And subscribe to our channel for more jade content. See you next time!